What's going on, ChopperFett family? We are on GoPro test number 2 for microphone positioning. Yesterday's test was actually pretty good until I hit that north wind on the way home and made my voice sound kind of like it was, oh, how to describe it, kind of like, you know, like we used to do with the fans in the old days with Darth Vader voice. I am your father.
La la la, Luke, Luke, I am your father. Lo la lo 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 la lo.
Aw, I've interrupted happy time.
It had a kind of little bit of a choppiness to it, so on the way to get the mail, see if there's anything out there today, and I figure we'd do another test. Let's go and roll the intro and let's find out. Roll it. Alright, well, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have enjoyed this GoPro series I have put together. This is now episode 4 of it. Will there be a 5th to complete the Monday through Friday series? I don't know, but I would sure like for there not to be, because the more times I have to go in and edit videos, the more time I could have been doing other things. But it's okay, it really is. Going back to my pains of motor vlogging, this is just one of them, is getting the equipment the way that you fully want it to be. No human interactions today at the post office though. Just checking the box. Cause I found my keys! I found my keys! No one take you. Alright guys, got a few pieces of mail. We got stuff from the Geared Raven, BD Rider, and Randy T-Bird. I'll save this for my mail call Sunday though. But check out their channels and Instagram channels, everybody. They all make some really cool stuff. Really nice people. Really nice people. How come every time I talk there's a loud truck around? Oh. Couldn't find my other glove. Alright, so the one bad thing about doing the testing of your equipment is you have to go on the same roads to try to simulate the same situations. So unfortunately for me, it means getting up to 55 miles per hour again, low 40s. It's going to be chilly. Gonna be chilly, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. So I'd filmed my first bit of GoPro 8 dual camera setup yesterday, and I went home and I took a quick sneak peek at it, and that was yesterday's episode, by the way. And my goodness, what a difference that 8 makes. I'm not necessarily sure I like it positioned there. I kind of feel like the 3/4 angle might be better. I don't know. What do you guys think? So yesterday I did the introduction of the 8. I figured today I would say why I didn't get the other 2 cameras, the 7 and the 360. So we'll start with the 7. The thing about the 7 is it's a really good camera. There's not a darn tootin' thing wrong with it. It's cheap right now at $229, and it would be a very good camera. If I knew the 8 didn't exist, it would have been a no-brainer for me to get that one. But because the 8 does exist, and because of the fact that I was able to do 0% financing on the $300 purchase, I went ahead and got the 8. Because as far as what I'm using it for, I'm not using it for any sort of audio. I'm not using it for anything else except for looking back at me. Maybe I'll put it on the crash bar at some point in time, get some alternate shot type things, but for right now it's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. And looking at yours truly, hey, I don't know what that was at all. How come I didn't opt for the 360 camera? The major factor was the price. $299.99 for a camera that I know is going to do me right, versus roughly $499 for a camera I would have to have a steeper learning curve on and might not have all the features that I actually really wanted to have. Now you might be saying, well, what features can it not have that the 8 doesn't? I mean, it's a $200 more expensive camera. And what it boiled down to was, I already got a camera that looks this way. If I got another camera that looks back this way, sure, I'm missing things maybe to the left and to the right a little bit. But when I would be looking straight ahead or back at me, if I was to use the 360 camera, those maximum file resolutions are 1080p. And I'm a sucker for resolution. Ever since I've had the gate, every video I've posted I think has been in 4K, minus a couple of the other episodes that I filmed with the iPhone, which also did amazingly well. And I think I cut down the resolution on those just a little bit because my phone was already out of space. It's not to say that I will never get the 360 camera. I think there's a time and a place for it. I think for me it's going to be wait until this generation of the 360 has kind of been done and the new one's out, and maybe I'll be able to pick it up for much cheaper. Are you turning or are you going straight? All right. I love having my saddleman seat. I felt myself kind of inch back, but then it just got hugged by that step up. But no, I do at some point want to have a 360 camera, and I don't even think I need to limit myself to just the GoPro. I mean, my editing software doesn't care if it's GoPro, whatever the other one's called, the Hero 360s. Hell if I know, I don't know them very well, but I think they would be cool. But most of what I'm doing right now, guys, I'm blogging. I'm not doing any sort of group rides right now. We're still down on quarantine. I'm not doing anything cool that's going to need me to do 360. So we'll figure, let's go ahead and get another 8. We'll do 4K front to rear, and you know, hopefully those cameras pick up what I'm looking at or what I need to be seeing. If I miss something, well, maybe I missed that bird, maybe I missed that car, maybe I missed that deer in the video, but that's okay. I mean, I found a good rhythm with editing with the 8 and the files that go along with it. I don't want to die. And then for me right now, it's kind of what I need. I got a lot of things going on in life outside of this channel. I know, imagine that, right? Sorry guys, you're not my whole life. You're part of my life, but you're not my whole life. But in reality though, it's once you get into that rhythm of how things work, it really does, you know, help speed things up when you're trying to get things processed. I've gotten to the point now where most of these videos this week were edited in a night and was ready to publish. So yesterday's episode, for example, was shot yesterday and fully cut, fully edited in one day. Just because I got so used to using the 4 and the 8 simultaneously, the 8 just kind of filled in immediately. So anyway, that's my lunchtime ramblings for today. We'll see if we have a 5th episode in the GoPro series or not. I would say there's a good chance. I have a feeling this audio is going to turn out like poo based off of where the microphone positioning is. But I am at least writing down where the position was on day 1 when I tested it, which was yesterday. Day 2 today, and if I need to do a day 3 tomorrow, I'll write down where I put that one at, so I know after I look at all 3 which one to end up and put it back to where it needs to go. So alright, well, I hope you guys are staying safe. As always, I'll catch you on the next dark side, as this is the way. A ChopperFett seeing you.